Super excited to be at the MRO Asia-Pacific Awards. It's great to be here, to connect with peers, friends who I'm working with for a very long period of time.
What impressed me about this event was the opportunity to connect with so many leaders and experts on shaping the future of the MRO industry.
We are certainly very honored and very humbled to receive this award.
It's really a recognition by the industry of the work that we do.
We're really super proud of our frontline staff who has worked very hard for this achievement.
I think Aviation Week has done very well to organize this event. You're making a real impact in the industry in terms of connecting people, enabling people to network, and to recognize the work that we do is fantastic.